Invisible to our senses, cosmic rays are high-energy particles that originate in space, mostly outside our solar system. Traveling at nearly the speed of light, they can penetrate any matter and can be stopped only by the vast thickness of our planet. The installation consists of 7 muon detectors that are suspended within an electrified metal net. Each sensor is completely isolated from external light. When the cosmic particle hits the scintillator, the energy absorbed by this collision is emitted in the form of light, which is then captured by the silicon photomultiplier. The reaction triggers a flash of light and a mechanical sound, making the invisible perceivable.